otherwise you will never know what it is. So if it is possible for you to look at that for the trillionth of a second, not knowing what you are looking at, that would be the end of you as you know yourself and as you experience yourself. How can you be interested in this kind of a thing? That applies to all the sensory activities, you know. You may say what you like, you can put salt on your tongue, you will never know that it is salty. You have to tell yourself and bring the past experience of how the salt tastes like, why the salt is salty. You can discuss that for hours and hours, but when you put it on your tongue, when you are not there, when your past experience that how that salt tastes like, what is the saltiness is like, you will never know what it is. That applies to the sweetness, that applies to all the tastes that you know of, the bitterness, this, that and the other. So there is no way you can experience anything there unless you have the knowledge. So what you do not know, you cannot experience at all. So what is that experience? Bringing back the past experience, how your knowledge created that kind of an experience for you. You have to recall and relive through it. But here it is not possible to relive through that kind of an experience. You know? So this is not a problem, you see. So you have to be there all the time. If you are not there for 1/1,000,000th of a second, you as you know yourself, you as you experience yourself, will be finished. So how can you be interested in this kind of a thing? What, Nataraj? Huh? Why are you wasting your time? So I am telling you all the time, this physical body is functioning exactly the same way that body is functioning. You know, no difference. You want to know, you see, unless you have the knowledge that is given to us by physiologists, by the medical technology, you will never know how this is functioning. The body does not know that it is alive. It has no way of experiencing that this is a living body unless you use that knowledge that is given to us by psychologists or medical technology. You have no way of experiencing that this is alive. You know, you can say that, you see, I'm alive. You see, if you ask me the question, are you alive? I would certainly answer that question in a positive way. I am alive. But I am alive, what does it mean? It doesn't mean anything. So I can logically explain, using all the knowledge that is put in there. It's because of this, that and the other, I say that I am alive. But I am alive, that statement is something which cannot be experienced by you or by anybody without using that knowledge.